Hi, welcome to the N79 preview. We're here today to take a tour to see a little bit of what's inside so you can get a sense of how we're creating really cool spaces for students to do immersive, experiential learning here on Nathan campus. Here we've got the pre-finished version of where we'll be able to put some stress strain gauges so students can jump up and down on this span up here and be able to see the effect of that on the building flex. Under the building there are half a dozen or so pillars that actually have the pressure plate cells underneath that are actually even now monitoring the loading of the building as it's being constructed with the extra floors. Inside the building, we're at the point now where we're getting the data loggers for those pressure plate cells so that we can transfer the information to the central university system. It's going to be a good view. You can see the city from here.
Really been very well thought out what's on each floor. So it'll actually be a fantastic student learning centre and a really engaged space for research and that interface between teaching and research.